Repellent manufacturers hide this from you. Your home smelling nice, no flies, no mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. For this simple tip, we're going to use an orange, and it can be any type of orange you have at home. First, cut the orange in half. Next, make a small hole in the center. Then open it a bit with the tip of your finger. We're doing this to place a small piece of candle there. And this hole will serve as a support. See, it will look like this. Next, we're going to need cloves. Take a handful of cloves and start sticking them into the sides of the orange. The clove will play a very important role in our trip. Because besides having a very good smell, it's great for keeping insects away, especially flies and mosquitoes. Next, do the same with the other half of the orange. This tip is simply fantastic. Once you start doing it at home, you'll always want to do it, because it's very effective and you spend almost nothing. And look how it turns out. Now pay close attention because this part is very important. You'll take these skewer sticks. Cut 4 pieces, all the same size. Once that's done, stick them on this part of the orange, trying to keep them as straight as possible. So do it patiently and carefully so the tip works. Now just fit the other half of the orange on top. And our tip will be ready. Just light it, and immediately you'll feel the aroma in your home change. And most importantly, it's going to help keep all the flies and mosquitoes at bay. Because the smell of the clove is quite strong, and insects hate it. This tip is very useful, especially if there's a lot of insects where you live. Since I learned it, I never use those store-bought repellents again, because they're often expensive and toxic to our health. So don't forget to try it at home. You will definitely love it. So that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.